Been walking for hours. I don't feel very well. Oh.
So we're in the survival shelter now. Temperature's dropped. It's really windy outside. This is where we die of carbon monoxide poisoning.
So I am sat outside the big man's house. That can only mean one thing. There is another big adventure coming from
Big Jace Big Adventures.
Not adventures, it's adventure.
Oh, Big Jace Big Adventure.
Remember when I first got my name wrong, you kept taking a mick?
Yeah, kept calling yourself Fred.
All sorts. Anyway, we've got a big adventure planned for you tonight.
This is the follow-on from the Anders Shelter video, which is on my channel, Big Jace Big Adventure. Going to see if two best friends can survive the night.
Well, we're going to create a scenario, aren't we? We're going to try and make it realistic.
Yeah.
Cool. Get in the van.
All right, open the door, mate. I've got loads of stuff.
Oh, is it locked? Is it? Sorry, mate.
Yeah, it's always locked.
Right, we're going to get up the Long Mynd, which is Church Stretton, not far from us. We'll see you up there. Here we are. We have arrived. I'm trying to stay out of the wind. Me and Big Jace. He's just getting all his gear right. We're not sure about the drone yet because it's really windy. We didn't think it'd be this windy up here. But yeah, this is the survival challenge. Big Jace's just saying he'd love to have a blood pressure monitor on him and see what it rises to.
Yeah, with the interaction with you.
I was just saying you haven't done any recording yet.
I'm going to do some now.
All right.
I put the memory card in.
You're getting angry for?
I'm always angry.
You're supposed to be having fun.
I'm always angry.
What are you doing now?
So
Do you want me to? Did he knock it off his hand then? Right, this is the difference between my stuff and Jay-Z's stuff. Look at this. There's Jason's massive tripod, looking good.
No expense spared by Steve the Transit Camper.
That's mine.
Tripod from Aldi, £7.95.
Been walking for hours. I don't feel very well.
Steve, you be alright? You feeling a bit lightheaded, mate? Sorry, we've only been walking like 2 hours now.
Oh, I'm gonna collapse.
I'll protect you, I'll look after you, you'll be alright, mate.
Mate, you've saved my life. It was a nasty fall, that. Nasty. Oh, it's a bit of a misplaced boot there, sorry.
It's up my anus. It's up my anus.
Harness. Well, we've had a few whiskies, haven't we, mate? We're really getting into it. Yeah, keep your head there, your big head. It's blocking the light, that's cool. No, you ripped it. What are you doing now? Oh, it's just unbelievable. Yeah, so we're back at the van now. We're all sorted, and we're going to head out to the survival shelter, and then we're there for the night. So we'll tell you how that goes. I'm going to cook as well.
Nice. What are you cooking?
Can't tell you. See you in the tent. Well, the whiskey's gone down well. This is absolutely ridiculous. That's all gone. 18 quid's worth. Hardly any coke left. What are you up to, big man?
Happy birthday.
What's that?
Birthday cake.
A birthday cake. That is so touching, mate. I don't mean touch me. I mean
Touch your mate.
Yeah, or touch me, mate. That is beautiful. I'll have that for
We have got a dessert as well, but I got your birthday cake.
That is superb. Thank you very much.
The one that I wanted was the princess one with the tiara on it.
Ah,
I nearly had to fight a
I'd have loved that
5-year-old for it. Steve, I've got a question for you.
What?
That's mine.
Yeah.
That's yours.
Yeah.
Whose is that?
I don't know what's gone wrong there. What's happened there? There's nobody else here.
That's explain why we've run out of whiskey.
I think it has, you know.
I think you've been having 2 drinks to my 1. You've been secretly having more, haven't you?
No, I think you gunned mine and your own on the last round. That's what I think's happened.
Okay, guys.
What do you mean, okay, guys?
Okay, guys.
What?
Okay. So we've both had a few whiskies, and we're really enjoying this survival situation.
We haven't got to the survival
No,
part
we're not in
yet.
a survival situation because we're.
But we will
outside
do.
just-
It's very dark.
I'd just like to say a thank you to a couple of my subscribers. So they've bought us a drink. They bought us some Guinnesses.
No, fair play.
Yeah, which is really nice.
Yeah.
So a lady from Texas. So she's called Dixie. She's bought us a Guinness.
Brilliant.
Yeah, thank you very much, Dixie, for those drinks.
Are you sure that's a real subscriber?
Dixie bought us. Yeah. Thank you, Dick.
Okay.
And
who's the other one?
we've got a guy. Well, he's not bought us a drink, but he's asking me a question on my
Okay.
channel. It's called Mike. He wants
Does
to
he
know.
want me to answer as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Mike has asked us. Mike from Worcestershire.
Yeah.
Mike wants to know how long have we been friends now?
Ooh, so it's about 9 years.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah, about 9 years.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mike. So that's Mike from Worcestershire. Thanks, Mike. Yeah, please.
Thank you, Mike. Keep
yeah,
the questions
keep
coming.
the questions coming.
And stick it in the comments. Big Jace has got all his gear out.
All the gear, food, survival.
Is this the thermal, or is this the...
That's night vision.
This is the night vision. Where's the thermal?
The thermal is there.
Thermal's there. He's brought all his gear, so we're going to properly do this time. Right, guys and girls, we are now going to go and check out the thermal camera, which is like ridiculous amount of money. I'm not even going to tell you. 4 grand.
The amount. Unbelievable.
Oh, well, you just ruined that, haven't you?
Yeah, we'll see that. You
Unreal.
can cut that out.
The big man's got a little bit naggy there because I put his iPad on the floor, but I was looking after it. Unbelievable. We'll never come back from this tonight.
Sorry guys, we've had quite a little bit of whiskey. We've probably consumed.
You've got the sun on your head.
Full...
Nobody can see you. That's it.
Better.
That's
We've
better.
consumed a full bottle of Jack Daniel's Honey Jack.
Well, not honey.
Oh, no, no.
Cinnamon, wasn't it?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon Jack.
I'm quite intoxicated.
Thoroughly enjoyed it. But now, the big part of the camp starts to happen. We're going to try and cook in the survival tent.
What we cooking? So, this is what we've got. We've got stag chilli.
Stag chilli.
Times 1. Stag chilli times 2. And just for a little bit of extra protein, we've got some stewed steak.
Beautiful. And I've also provided some partially cooked potatoes.
And to mop it all up, we've got some
breads.
Folded flatbreads.
Beautiful. We're going to get into that now. We'll see you in the tent. You haven't recorded.
You've not pressed it. You're drunk.
You haven't recorded.
Press
I'm
it.
not drunk.
Press it.
I won't press it.
Press it.
I'm serious, guys. I have no idea how this... Seriously? I don't understand how this works. Ah, there's a black spot. You have to sit on a black bit. That... Oh, I've got my bag. Right, we're making some headway now. Very, very complex, guys. I mean, it will save your life, so, you know, be serious. But I can't work it out yet. I think it needs 2 of you in here to make it a survival tent. 1 on your own, forget it. It's raining outside. It's very windy, as you can hear. So at the moment, we are very, very flappy in here. I've got all the cooking gear because we're going to cook up some dinner. What?
Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for you to get in. What?
Right, listen.
Yeah. It just needs you to come in to build the structure.
Get the chilli. There's the food.
Alright, there's the food. Beautiful.
And there's the torch.
Good lad.
Okay, back inside.
It all seems to be going well, really. It's very, very windy here, folks. More windy than we thought. But this is a survival situation and we're trying to teach you how to sort yourselves out, really, and stay alive for the night. So I've got the bulk of the cooking gear in here. So we're going to be using billy cans. Jase doesn't like that word, billy cans. That's all my cooking stuff. That is the potatoes that I par-cooked. And there's some fire dragons there, which we'll probably use. Let's get sorted. Very windy. Here comes Big Jace. He's had a few. You're not... Are you... I don't know. Are you prepared if anything goes wrong? Come on, you got to get in the survival tent. Are you? You're not ready. You got to be like a spider in a nest. You got to always be ready.
I'm ready.
He's ready. So this is dinner. We're waiting for Big Jace to get in.
Right. Let's have it. Let's have it.
He's having it. He's having it.
There's cars coming.
Cars?
Yeah, there's cars coming.
All right. Okay. Well, we're not scared of a car, are we?
No. Right, that's
what
better.
What do you mean, right? You got a massive gap there.
Get your feet out of the way.
You got to sit on the black bit.
I am.
You're not.
I will in a minute
No.
when we set up.
Yeah, we've got all the seals. Let's get the seal right first.
Look, let's see where this car's going. That's going past us.
Oh, he's worried about the blooming car now.
It's safety. It's security.
Yeah, I'm happy with security. He's not in the tent. I'm on my own.
Right, we're okay.
Gone?
Gone. Right. In.
Right, get yourself.
Right. Let's move your feet out of the way then.
What?
Right, boom. That's in the middle.
No, we can't have. This isn't boom, is it?
Right, what's that? Let's get this out of the way first. Let me get in and get comfy.
Okay. Ugh. Ah! Tipped us over. You tipped us over.
Get comfy.
What?
Come on. Can we see
Are
through?
you sitting on the black piece?
I'm going to.
Where's your black piece?
It's on my bottom. All right, come on.
Sit.
Give me a hand.
Hang on. Oh my, mate, you've got.
Oh my days.
You got.
Right.
You've got to sit
I'm trying.
on the black bit.
I'm trying. You're falling over.
Where's the black?
It's on my It's on my bottom.
Is it really?
Give me a hand. Pull yourself up. Right.
Hang on.
Right.
I think I'm right. Yeah, I'm right. I'm sat on the black piece.
Yeah, so am I.
You're not. You haven't even sat down yet. Your black piece is over there, look.
Right, let's put this in. Let's just put this in the middle.
Yeah.
So that we've got space first of all.
Okay.
Right, I have no footage for my video.
Yeah,
whatsoever.
we need to stop now and press record on your GoPro. Absolutely loving this, guys. Really interesting. I'm probably going to be chief cook, because I normally am. And we'll see how things go. Got some new potatoes. We've got some stag chilli. And Big Jace has bought some extra beef, stew beef, which I do love.
Big
It's so
Jace has
expensive,
provided
isn't
all
it?
the food on this event.
Yeah, Big Jace's provided all the food and alcohol on this event.
My turn.
And we are looking to stick out the whole night in this survival situation. So this is an educational video, so it's all about a bit of training from us guys. So trying to get you up to speed.
Can two
really.
best mates survive the night
Can we survive the night? I
on
think
the
we
Long
can.
Mynd?
I think on the Long Mynd. Long Mynd.
I said
Unbelievable.
Right, let's set up Steve, the transit camper. Okay,
Superb.
Big Jace got his glasses on. Right, this guys is this is a survival situation. So Steve has been too exhausted to carry on, so we've had to stop here for the night, and we're going to have something to eat and try and stave Steve for the morning. We've had a few whiskies as well, so I apologise if I'm talking a little bit
That's part of
waffle.
survival, isn't it? Surely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't know what's going on the outside. There could be anybody outside.
We're not scared though, because we're Big Jace.
This is where we die of carbon monoxide poisoning. Right, this is the pan. I'm going to put the ingredients in the pan. Has Steve got a spoon?
Nope.
Nope, so I don't know how we're going to stir it and distribute the heat.
How are we going to stir it and distribute the heat? I don't know whether beef should go in a chilli. Should it?
So, this is the beef in our chilli.
Did you see that?
That was really good, mate.
Yeah.
Oh, dear.
Don't put any more in there. No! Whoa, put it in there. What a disaster that was. Look. Mate, you need to get some... Oh, right, okay.
Do you know what, guys? I can already feel the carbon monoxide poisoning that I'm getting from this because I can't
Have
breathe.
you got a spoon?
No, you was bringing all the utensils. It's just going to burn on the bottom.
It's not going to burn on the bottom, but that's not got enough in it. Oh,
What do you mean that's not got enough in
I might
it?
have a utensil. Where's the potatoes here?
There's no room for the potatoes.
There is, they go in there with that. Dude! Oh, my back's aching already.
Mate, I can't. We're already getting carbon monoxide poisoning.
It's not. God, I'm not so crazy. Stop it. It's raw, you'll get food poisoning. You won't be laughing then. So we have started eating up the food. Big Jase, he's just gone mental, started opening ham breads and eating them. Crazy. It's supposed to be a survival situation. He's looking after number one. So this is what we've got. The chilli is bubbling away, and then we'll put the potatoes on. Big Jace's already eating and dipping in. Unbelievable. With his glasses on.
I'm surviving.
Mate, you're out of control, you are.
I'm out of control.
Yeah. Surprising how quick it warms up though, isn't it?
Mm.
What are these tins? They need chucking out, mate. Seriously. You need to chuck them out.
I seriously think you get carbon monoxide poisoning.
No, nobody's getting carbon monoxide poisoning. What's the worst can happen inside a tent?
We die.
See, these potatoes aren't going to warm through unless they have more juice in there, so we need to do a bit of that. What's
Steve.
that bread you're eating? Supposed to be sharing.
I was giving you a piece.
Oh.
Why's my eyes burning? Oh, mate, my eyes are burning.
That's stone cold. Why are you eating that?
Why are my eyes burning? Oh.
Oh, mate.
Eat it.
Yeah, but
You're dipping it in the stone cold one.
that's
Where's
the
my
one.
spoon to eat?
There's no spoons.
Oh, how am I going to eat it?
You have to just dip.
Have you got no spoons?
No.
Oh, what?
I can't believe we're eating like this. On with these. Oh, this is killing my back. Is it killing your back?
I can't.
Can't what?
Are your eyes not burning?
No, yours. Yours?
Yeah.
How?
Have we not got a spoon or anything?
No. So it is really smoky in here. Big Jace has gone outside. So he said his eyes are burning.
Oh, mate, let's take this off us a minute.
He's taking it off.
Take it off us a minute.
What is the matter with you? It's soaking.
It's burning.
It's not burning. Well, this isn't. We're supposed to be surviving.
We are, but I've survived by taking it off us.
Unbelievable. I think we were getting the old carbon monoxide then, weren't we?
Yeah. This is a bad idea, guys, to try and cook inside a survival shelter.
Yeah. So, in hindsight, we probably wouldn't cook in a survival shelter. Mate, you can't be eating stuff that's cold like that.
But we've not got anything to... Have you got any spoons?
No. You have to go and get a spoon out of the van. Go and get 2 spoons out of the van. See if you can survive to do that.
Oh!
Jesus Christ.
Jesus H. Christ!
Yeah, go and get a couple of spoons.
I am!
Ah! That is so hot!
Ah!
Oh. We've got sleep in this, yeah?
Yeah, but at least we've got custard in it.
So Big Jace's headed back for the van. Everything smells of burnt grass. Not good. So maybe don't cook in your survival shelter. Just try and survive. Just, you know, drink water and be sensible. This is terrible, guys. Seriously. That's been on for about 10 minutes. I've topped it up and it's still freezing cold. This is dreadful.
So drunk.
We're both drunk. Mate, you would swear that was hot.
Why are you cooking the... What's with the potatoes?
Well, we've got to get to that eventually. I'm really disappointed that this isn't hot. Really struggling with this, guys. Loads of flame, no heat. Keep an eye on that. Mate!
I'm looking at it.
You're not looking at it, because look!
Oh, have you burnt it?
Yeah. It's alright though.
Oh, is it damaged?
Yeah, really damaged.
Let's see.
No, I'm embarrassed.
Hmm?
I'm too embarrassed about it. No, it's alright, look! It's got a couple of melted holes in, that's all. Uh-oh, we've just come back to the tent. And I've burnt it. He's not going to like that, but I don't tell him. Just keep it quiet. Mate, come on!
I'm stirring this food.
Yeah, leave that now. This is hot. Oh, come and eat some of this. Don't need to turn it off. Here he comes. This is hot now, so I've called Big Jase to come and sort this out. Yeah, it's a little bit burnt, the survival tent, but we'll be alright. Here he comes.
It's burnt the survival tent. This just emphasises the point that you shouldn't be trying to cook in a survival tent. You should just survive in a survival tent until the morning. So you can
Right,
get assistance.
let's eat.
Well,
It's just, no, it's just nothing really. It's just that there.
Come on then.
It's not grim, is it? How many of them have you had?
Not enough.
Still cold.
So, the food's cold, the survival centre.
No, it's not. Mine's hot.
Survival centre, survival shelter is burnt.
Food's good. Why did you take this off before it was ready?
Because you told me to come out.
I'm not sure it's ready. He's going to wash these pans out tomorrow. Well, it could have been worse. Big Jace's enjoying his, aren't you? I'm enjoying mine, but it does need to be hotter. Too cold. Well, we had a lovely meal there. It was a bit cold, wasn't it? It's a bit cold.
It wasn't even cooked.
Yeah, but at least we got the puddings, haven't we?
They're at home in the fridge.
You what, mate?
I forgot about them because you came early.
What?
I forgot. Because you came early. I forgot to
Hang
bring
on,
them.
let's just go over this again.
You've got your birthday cake.
I've seen that, and that was really nice, but what about the puddings?
It's at home in the fridge.
Unbelievable.
And do you know what? They're not biscotti, but they're vanilla cheesecake.
Oh, unbelievable. Right, we'll have a bit of cake. We'll have a bit of birthday cake. And then we're going to settle down in the survival tent for the night.
Well, the survival tent challenge has failed.
No, it hasn't.
But Steve's already burnt 2 big
Yeah,
holes in
there's
it.
1 or 2 holes.
And as we're probably talking now, it's probably melting on the fire.
No, it'll be all right. It'll be all right. Let's get back in now and have our pudding.
We're back in.
Come on, mate. We've got to get in here now.
I'm coming, big man.
Come on. You need to try and set the black hole inside. You really messed about.
Look out with your grass.
What's this? It's your hand. Ah!
What's this? What's that?
Why is it so...
Look at that. What's that?
What?
What's this? What's that?
Come on. You're not sitting on the... I am. Are you? Oh. Why are you... You got to sit on the black part. Right.
Sit up. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
This is quite... This is almost... This is like synchronised swimming, isn't it?
Alright, I'm up.
Right, I'm up too.
Right.
Right. Right, sensible now.
Okay. So Steve's burnt the survival tent.
Sit on the black bit.
I'm sitting on the black bit.
Right. If Jase says I can hear the car coming once more, unbelievable. Right, so we were talking about the puddings, weren't we, Jay-Z?
Yeah.
So where's the puddings?
I've left the puddings at home.
He's left the puddings
because you
today.
came too early. But I brought birthday cake for you. So technically we have a pudding.
I've got this birthday
So if
cake.
I would have just told you that's a pudding, you'd be happy to think that you
Yeah,
have a pudding.
and I do really appreciate the birthday cake. I think it's a nice touch. But there are quite a lot of puddings that are in Jay-Z's fridge, which he's going to eat on his own.
I'm not, you can have one in the morning.
All right, I'll collect it in the morning. Right, let's sort this cake out. Right, so there's the cake. We haven't got a knife, so we're just going to have to play it by ear. Do you want to film me while I try and sort out our parts, Jay-Z? There's no point beating around the bush here. It is what it is, isn't it?
Steve's probably not washed his hands
I have washed my hands.
or any part of his body recently.
So we've got to be sensible, so we'll try and cut it to the centre.
Yeah, but he's not. Look, there's obviously a divide. Oh, he's just. Oh,
Okay.
look at that. Look at his fingers in it and everything.
Oh my God, mate, it's so nice. It's so nice. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday, big man.
Thank you, sir.
54.
53.
54.
53.
Please like and subscribe. He's not got many years left.
Mmm. Oh, it's really sickly, isn't it?
It is.
How are you getting on with yours?
It's sickly.
Oh, God.
I think we've failed the survival challenge.
We have them. You got a few burn holes, that's all.
Can't believe you burnt my survival shelter. Right. Doing had one job.
Huh? Oh, it's too sickly, mate. At half. That's my boot size.
Oh. Right, guys, I'm gonna go to sleep now. We'll see you in the morning.
Well, I enjoyed my birthday cake and I thank Jay-Z very much for getting me that. Much appreciated. We are now going to try and get our heads down. I think we'll do it. We're going to find a podcast and get off to sleep. And we'll see you in the morning. Superb. I hope you've learnt something from our demonstration of how to survive in a, what would you call this, Jay-Z? This tent?
Under survival shelter.
And a survival centre, so shelter. So I hope you've learnt a few things because it's very important that we teach people. So we'll see you in the morning. Good night. I'm happy like this.
Yeah,
There's a bit of rain, but it's not too bad, is it?
I think I could fall asleep like this, mate.
Superb. See you in the morning, big
See you in
man.
the morning, buddy. Take it easy.
I don't think it has burnt, has it?
Yeah, of course it's burnt. There's big holes in it.
I don't think... You need to find the footage of that to prove it was my fault.
Legs trapped.
I'm not sure that was my fault.
I need to get out of this.
Right? I'm not sure whether this is a survival tent. Do you think this would save you?
I don't know. Trapped in the survival tent. Steve's fallen over. I can't get out.
Say it again.
Steve's fallen over. We can't get out. It's time to take drastic measures.
What are you doing? He's cutting his way out.
Oh, we're out.
There's something wrong with you, big man.
We're out. We're survived. Always have a survival knife.
Don't leave anyone behind.
That's it. We're out. We're safe.
What time is it? 4 o'clock?
It's 10 past 11 at night.
10 past 11.
I
Unbelievable.
saved your life.
Thanks, mate.
What we're going to do now?
Go back to the van.
That sounds like a good idea.
Got a long walk back.
Survival challenge failed.
Yeah, failed. Well, guys, it's 3 o'clock in the morning and we've come back to the van. It was just freezing. Big Jase wrecked the tent by cutting us out and then we couldn't get comfortable. So we'll see you in the morning. Take care. 3:15. Still messing about. Still got the sun on his head. What are you doing, big man?
I can't sleep. I've got insomnia.
Insomnia.
Here he is, here's the main man, dropping him off now.
Good morning, guys.
We didn't survive in the tent, as you saw. We ended up sleeping in a van, and it was wonderful. I had a good sleep, but this poor boy,
Been awake all night.
with the old reflux.
Yeah, and somebody pulled up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah,
We're on top of the Long Mynd. You couldn't see anything for the fog. It's raining as well, a bit of drizzle. Just really weird that somebody would pull up.
and all the windows steamed up, didn't they?
Yeah. Something dodgy going on there.
We haven't caught the reds, though. You've been watching Steve the Transit Camper and...
Big Jace Big Adventure.
Nice. We'll see you next time. Take her easy.